Hello friends, I welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Let's learn and grow together. Here we came up with new course, that is AMVI Mains Examination, a complete guide. So in this video we are going to discuss about AMVI, then different sections and marking scheme related to this examination and syllabus of the examination. So all of we know that Maharashtra Public Service Commission, that is MPSC, has announced a recruitment of Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector, that is AMVI, which is class 3 job vacancies for mechanical, automobile and production engineering disciplines. Number of vacancies announced are 240. So here is your mentor. I am Professor Jayesh Jadhav. I have completed Masters of Engineering in Mechanical Design from Pune University. I have total 6 years of experience. Out of that, 5 years of teaching and 1 year of industrial. So let us discuss marking scheme of the examination. So different sections and marking scheme. So you can see here there are total 3 sections: section A, section B and section C. Out of that, keep in mind section A is compulsory. So first of all, this AMVI mains examination is totally technical examination. So in section A, which is compulsory based on mechanical and automobile engineering, out of section B and C you can attempt any one. So section B is based on mechanical engineering and section C is based on automobile engineering. So number of questions involved in section A are 120, and section B and C are 30. Marks for section A 240, section B 60 and section C 60. So in total you have to attempt 120 plus 30, that is 150 questions, and total marks will be 300. So each question carries 2 marks. So medium of exam will be English. Exam duration, which is very important. So total there are 90 minutes. The exam type is objective. And one more thing is that there is a negative marking. So for each wrong question, 1/4 mark will be deduced. So let us discuss syllabus. So first of all, section A, which is combination of mechanical and automobile engineering, 120 questions, 240 marks. So there are total 6 modules in section A. So let us see one by one. First is strength of materials, which includes stress and strain, strain energy, shearing force and bending moments, moment of inertia, principal planes and stresses, slope and deflection, direct and bending stresses, columns, torsion and thin cylinders. Second module is mechanical technology, which includes engineering materials, non-chip forming processes, chip forming processes, that is turning, drilling, milling, boring, broaching, finishing and super finishing, gear production, NC-CNC and non-conventional machining methods. Third module is nothing but theory of machines, which includes kinematics and dynamics of machines, friction, different power devices and power transmission equipments like governors, gyroscopes, etc., and applications of CAM. So this is about third module, that is theory of machines. Now fourth module, that is hydraulics, which includes fluids and their properties, laminar and turbulent flow, Bernoulli's equation, fluid pressure, Pascal's law, surface tension, fluid flow and its measurement. Fifth module is thermal engineering, which includes source of energy, that is conventional and non-conventional, laws of thermodynamics, principle and working of heat engines, air compressors, air standard, vapor power and gas power cycles. Last module, that is automobile engines and industrial electronics. So it includes theory, working and construction features of CI and SI engines, combustion phenomena and various ignition systems, fuels and lubricants, performance and testing of IC engines, pollution control. So industrial electronic part contains diodes, UJT, BJT, amplifiers and microprocessors. So total 6 modules are involved in section A. Now let us see section B, which is purely mechanical engineering. 30 questions, 60 marks. So first module. So in section B there are total 3 modules. First is hydraulic machinery, which includes impact of jet, hydraulic turbines, hydraulic pumps, that is centrifugal, reciprocating and other types, and hydraulic control circuit. Second module is RAC, that is refrigeration and air conditioning, which includes refrigerator and heat pump, VCRS, VARS systems, refrigerants, psychometry, air conditioning and its applications. Third module, industrial engineering, which includes types of production, plant layouts, process planning, work study, statistical quality control and metrology. So total 3 modules included in section B. Now let us see section C, which is purely automobile engineering. 30 questions, 60 mark. So in this section 3 modules are involved. So first is automobile system, which includes vehicle layout, transmission system, braking system, anti-lock braking system, that is ABS, steering and suspension system, chassis frame and body engineering. Second module, vehicle maintenance, which includes performance of vehicles, engine electricals and electronics, workshop layout, repairing and servicing, emission measurements and control techniques. Third module, that is transport management, which includes elements of transport and its operations, Motor Vehicle Act, taxation and insurance. Now let us discuss outline of this course. So first, in September 2020, there will be AMVI mains video lectures. In continuation with that, in October 2020, there will be a AMVI mains previous question paper solving. In continuation with that, in November, there will be a 60 mock test with solution and discussion. So in detail, if we will see it, so first video lectures will be there on each module. So total 10 videos on each module of section A, B and C. Second, solved question papers. So 5 video lectures to solve questions from previous question papers on each module. Last is mock test. So there will be total 60 mock tests to prepare you for the RTO mains examination. I think 60 mock tests are sufficient to clear the examination. So out of these all modules, I will be dealing with first section A, module number 3, that is theory of machines. Second, section A, module number 6, that is automobile engines and industrial electronics. Third, that is section C, module 1st, that is automobile systems. So in coming lectures, we are going to discuss all these 3 modules one by one. So one point I want to add here is the numbers related to this examination, as it is a game of numbers. So first is number of vacancies, that is 240. Second is number of questions involved in the examination, that is 150. Third is marks, so total marks involved are 300. And last but not least and very important is time, so total time is 90 minutes. So if you will calculate time for each question, so that time will be 36 seconds. So you have to take care of that also. So if you like this video, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.